Physics is commonly used in baseball in ways such as velocities. For example, how fast a pitcher is pitching and how fast a base runner is stealing. To find velocity, you do the formula v equals d over t. The distance was 10 meters. And the time it took to do the whole thing was 0.7 seconds. So you plug the numbers in, 10 divided by 0.7, which equals 14.28. We took it an extra step and we converted it to miles per hour. You do this, you have to multiply it by 2.2. And that's all. Now you have to move your decimals. So our miles per hour was 31.4.
Next up is rotational motion. Rotational motion is mainly used in baseball for a pitcher. The pitcher throws many different pitches such as curveballs and knuckleballs, which affect how the pitch comes in, all based on the rotation of the baseball.
Projectile motion is used in baseball and fly ball situations. The ball that comes off the bat would be a projectile. Friction force is used in baseball when a person slides. The more the mass of a person, the higher the friction force, in the same way that a person with less mass would have a less of a friction force applied to them.
Friction force in mu, the equation is mu equals friction force over normal force. Normal force is equal to mass times gravity, which is a person's weight. To figure out friction force, you have to figure out the force of a person, which is mass times acceleration. For acceleration, we have to figure out how fast we were going originally to what we finished at, which we started out about 4 meters per second and we went to 0. So we have a 4 over about 2 seconds, which is 2 meters per second acceleration. So we multiply that by the two different masses, which for one runner were 56 kilograms and for the other runner was 68 kilograms. So we multiply the two by each of them, and we have 112 and 136, which represents the force for them. So then we set up friction force, which is 112 for the first runner, over his mass times gravity, which is 125, which comes to mu of about 0.89. Then for the next runner, we have 136 as their force, and about 150 for their weight, which is mass times gravity. And that is equal to 0.91.
Collisions are applied in some baseball situations. Like shown in this clip, when a person is fielding the ball, there is always a chance that they may get hit directly by an opposing runner.